I'm Joud Fatani. I'm a experiential graphic designer, illustrator, and storyteller. Also the creator behind Noms Life. Noms Life is a lifestyle brand. It's a very fun and graphic kind of creative outlet for me. It's about characters that I created in their universe. And then each character has its own personality and backstory. And based on that, they come to life through streetwear, through different products. Noms in itself is very diverse. They're basically kind of the secret society where anyone from around the world can relate to. But it's inspired, I think, by so many things, including travel, psychology, lifestyle, happy living. So for the Biennale Design Store, I picked Malik, which is like the OG character of Noms. So that's him. Malik is of Arabian descent, collects miniature action figures, gets annoyed from loud chewers and the snack enthusiast. You'll find like nostalgic snack items. Ice cream, sardilla, which is like a nostalgic, iconic kind of snack that we all grew up eating. So you'll find that in like hidden on a sleeve on the crew neck or on the back of the sock. I also have like exclusive kind of artwork or illustration posters that I'm showcasing here as well. I felt like it would be a perfect fit with the like fun, vibrant aesthetic of the Biennale store. So I hope in the future I get to collaborate not only with Biennale but also the different artists from around the world that are featured here. And maybe we can create some sort of experience that meshes Noms with, another creative outlet, and then we can do something that brings people together.